Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss the first problem from the latest Codeforces round 693 division 3, problem name cards for friends. You can read the problem statement, but in simple terms it states that you have some card whose dimension is w cross h, like you can assume to be a rectangle, and the dimensions are w cross h, and then whatever side is even, you can cut the paper along that side, which means that, as you can see, or you can assume that if this is a paper, let's remove it out, maybe this is the paper, and maybe this length is maybe 6 and this is 3, so you can cut this paper out at this point, and thus the two paper will become of length like this 3 and this 3, so this two paper will form. So now you can keep on dividing this paper such that any of its the new paper length is like even, and in the end you have to tell us how many new papers you will form. So as you can see, maybe the new paper is of length 4 4. So what you can do, you can divide it along this part now, first this, so it will become like this, which is like 4 and 2, and also 4 and 2. Okay, then what you can do, you can again cut at this part, so it will become more 4 cross 1, and like this also 4 cross 1, and same here. Now because it is also even at this point, you can cut it like this in the half, so it will become like 2 1 2 1 and so on, like 2 1 and 2 1. So as you can see, for every paper, if any of its length is like 2, you can divide it into 2 more halves. So like any paper, if any of its length is 2, you can divide it into more halves, like 2 more halves and 2 more halves and so on. So it's simple, just that you'll divide. So because at every step you will know that how many papers are there, because let's assume you have 4 papers, like 4 cross 4. So at the next step you will form 2 papers of side like 4 cross 2. So you have taken one side which is even, divided into half, and now how many papers are left, like form like divide into 2, like multiply the whole number of total number of papers into 2. Now because you have now 2 papers, if you again have some even sides, if you divide it again, now 4 papers will form, because as you can see, 2 from here and 2 from here. Now if you again have some even sides, because all these 4 papers are same, all the 4 papers are same. Now if you again have some even sides, if you divide them out, every paper will form 2 more papers. So the next paper is like 4, then it will be like 2 to like 8 papers. So so 4 into like 4, like that, it's double itself, like double itself. So as you can see, every paper like just double it out, and that's the whole problem in this, like the logic for this problem. You have to, initially there's only one paper, and after that the paper will like double itself if you have one even side, and that's the whole logic. I'll take on to the code part now. So take the input of h, w and n. You have to in the and check that whether the total number of papers after all this iteration become greater than or equal to n or not. So initially, because there's always one paper in the start, so total is equal to 1. So now you'll do a while loop such that if the h, which is the like the length of the paper dimension, if it's even, multiply h by 2, like double itself, because every paper becomes like, because it can be cut at 2 halves, so every total will tell you how many total papers are there. Every paper will double itself, so total into 2 equal to 2, and like because you have double all the things, the height will be like divided by 2, and same you'll do the for width also. And in the end, if the total number of papers formed is greater than or equal to n, then the answer is yes or the answer is no. I hope you can understand the logic. More videos are coming soon, so stay tuned. I'll see you next one. Keep coding. Bye.